Okay, guys, so we're gonna be doing, this look on this eye, and then we're gonna finish up with the whole shebang. So,
Waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best.
okay, so now that I've blended that out, I'm not gonna do my eyebrows just yet because I'm a Pisces and I'm scatterbrained. So we're gonna go in with this pumpkinishy shade, burnt orange, and we're just going to take that all around.
Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night, it's easy love with you.
I'm also going to be taking this shade too because I'm just not a fan of how this is showing up right now. So we want this really, really bright because the girl that I was watching, like, her stuff be popping, and I want mine to pop too, Mixing some black with it just to make it a little darker.
Easy love, you holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding.
Dig all up in there, and we're just gonna start making our cut crease, and then I'm gonna go in with this Stay Caution Bliss, and I'm gonna dab. So now we're going to go back in with the purple, but I actually started off with this color. Because in her video, she did not start off with this.
Holding me, easy love, yeah. You and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets, holding you, holding me, easy love.
So now we're going in again with this shade.
I know it. Alright. Everybody in the building disappear. That's the way you're looking at me. Whispering silly nothings in my ear. Careful now, this could get ugly all night. I give you all my dirty crime.
Everything together so it's not blotchy. Polite, and we're just gonna get that much, and Okay, so her makeup is like really, 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 really drastic. So, oh jeez, this is gonna be so weird. Like sis makeup be drastic. So we gonna have to get into it.
Messing around, he been messing around. I guess he didn't know you were lonely, cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning, yeah. But I got a plan
You see how
to
orange that is?
We gon'
That's why I stopped
fuck
using it.
up his life.
Okay, and then I'm gonna take.
Your phone in some time.
That's
Boy,
so
you don't
unfortunate.
know that we know about you, baby. Baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts. Girl, thanks for putting me up on game.
I'm gonna get
He was up to no
like
good.
this girl with him.
About to
So
play with his head.
I haven't with him in a series.
Text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gonna be at?
Long
We should pull up
time.
on him.